Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston with a 2022 320 Vantage. It's one of our hottest sellers that we have here. It's a gorgeous Abaco blue. It's got the nice dive door on the side. It's just a great all-around running boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320 Vantage. Let's start at the back. Again, it's powered by the Mercury 300s. They're a phenomenal engine. Plenty of horsepower in them, great top end on them, just very efficient, very quiet, very little vibration, fantastic motors. The bench seat in the back, if you're going out for a lunch or to the beach or a sunset cruise or whatever it may be, really comfortable for 3 adults back here, nice high backrest on it. And if you're going to fish, it easily folds away, and now it's a great leaning post to be fishing off the back of the boat. So really nice feature. On this side, we've got a setup where there's a table that comes out right here. So when this seat's down, you get the people here and people here to put drinks and hors d'oeuvres and that kind of thing on it. You've got the ladder. The beachboarding ladder is stowed underneath. The seat actually goes back and forth. It lays all the way down this way, lays all the way down this way. You can lounge facing this way. You can lounge facing that way. Just a great feature on the seat. And then the dive door is fantastic. It's the safest way to get on a boat. You can clearly... When you go from the dock to here, it's just an easy step, always at the same level on a floating dock. So it really is the safest way. Also, as far as getting on and off the boat in the water, the ladder that was under the seat deploys out. It just clips in. It's very easy. It's very safe. You have a rail to hold on to when you're getting in, help you get in the boat, which is very nice. And lastly, if you're fishing, you can, instead of, a lot of times you lose the fish when you bring it over the gunnel, and all the weight of the fish is out of the water, you lose them, pull the hook. Here, you're still half in the water. When you drag them in, you drag them over, put them in the fish box, and it's nice and neat and clean, and he's not making a mess of the boat, he goes right into the fish box. So very nice feature on the dive door. And if you are fishing, conveniently located, very nice size live well. So, great to have, keeping your bait going. It also doubles as a cooler. I use it more as a cooler, but it does both very nicely. A nice prep station here, pull-out faucet. You got storage underneath. And you've got a hydraulic chair. It's a dual seat. It's very comfortable, and it comes automatically comes up and down for the height, so it gives you, good visibility, depending on how tall you are. And then we've got the little cabin. So this is a getaway. This is a place to take a nap if you wanted to, but if you have weather and you need to get out of it, it's a nice, comfortable way. It deploys into a bed, so you could take a nap there. It sleeps 2 people comfortably. And over at the helm, we've got the Raymarine. Excuse me, the Raymarine. It's very nice size. You could put a second one in there if you wanted it, so there's room to do that. You've got your SmartCraft, and you've got your Fusion stereo, VHF, digital throttle and shift, trim tabs, and then you've got the joystick. The joystick is fantastic. I can make this boat go sideways. I've got complete control of the boat with it. If I want to see a sunset, I can hit the sky hook on it. I point it right at the sun. Get into the lounge seats, have a nice glass of wine, very comfortable. You're always facing the sun the whole way, and when you go to leave, you just hit the button. You don't have to deal with an anchor, so it's really great. And it also has auto heading, so you have a little line that comes out from the boat on the bottom. You just point it to wherever you want to go. You hit the button, and it takes you there automatically. So it's a real comfortable way. When I'm on Skyhook, I can actually sit. When I'm on auto heading, I can sit here and not have to be just driving the boat the whole way, and it's much more relaxing for me as the captain. As we move to the head, very nice size head. It's got a skylight in it as well. And you've got a seat, a teak seat down there, so you can, if you want to change your clothes and take a shower, it's got a pull-out faucet in there, so it's, cleaning up. If you're going to the beach and you want to go out to eat, you can rinse off, change into clothes. So really nice setup for a head, good size. Very comfortable U-shaped seating all the way up here, storage all underneath, and then you've got the windlass and the ladder. The beach ladder is actually deployed out, and you can drive right up onto the beach, and you can get on and off the boat without getting in the water, which a lot of people don't like to get in the water off the back of the boat. So this is really, really nice when you go to the beach. And then when you come back in, you got a shower. You can rinse all the sand and salt off your feet before you get in the boat, so you don't get it inside the boat. The hard top is wonderful. It's huge. It gives you great sun protection on it. It's got a sure shade in the back, and it's got pretty much everything you're going to need. So if you would like to see it, if you got any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.